We're looking at solving limits or evaluating limits analytically, and this particular one here is the one we're going to focus on, coming from this section 3. Of course, we take notice if we take the 5, 6 and we do the direct substitution and plugging 5, 6 directly in, we end up getting 0 over 0, and that's not good. So that means that really we just got a few steps to do, and that is we need to factor this and then cancel some like factors out and then do the direct substitution and see how things turn out. Alright, let's write the limit out, and we've been using purple, so I guess I'll go ahead and stick with that. We have the limit as x approaches, I've already forgotten what the problem was. Right, 5 sixths. And we have in the denominator 6x minus 5. Because if we plug the 5 sixths in right here, we end up getting 0. And then we have the 6, and this is in parentheses this time, cubed minus, and I believe this is 125. I should have had just in the problem had that in parentheses also, but let's rewrite this. We have the difference of two cubes. We'll be able to factor and then cancel out like factors, and that's what I'm going to do in this next step. Let's factor, and because this is already in parentheses here and we haven't cubed the 6, we just write 6x minus 5. And this is going to end up being, now I'm going to go ahead and and square that. Well, I don't know, maybe I won't, since we're keeping everything in parentheses here. And because this is a minus, we put a plus. Now we carry this 6x over, but I'm going to use this 5, write the 5 first. And then we have the 6 times x here. And of course this is always a plus, and we square that number and that becomes 25. And now we just go ahead and rewrite the denominator. And now what we're going to do is do the canceling part. Rewrite this limit, and of course I write an equal sign here. We've got the limit as x approaches 5 sixths, and this becomes now, you know what, I'll just keep that in parentheses there. And that's 30x plus 25. And then we do the direct substitution. We have the 5 sixths. We'll go ahead and keep it like that. 30 times the 5 sixths plus the 25. And those guys are going to cancel out, so we have 5 squared, which is 25, plus 6 goes into 35 times, so that's another 25, and then 25, and so we end up with 75 is our final answer. So now we know what this limit is equal to, 75. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed, and ooh, there it is, right? So we can hit the help and kind of get a quick tour here of how to solve the problem if you don't want to watch the videos, right? And you think that's all you need is a little refresher. Alright, so really it's boiling down to know how to factor the difference of two cubes.